Hey everyone, this is a quick instructional video on how to expand double brackets using two different techniques. So the first technique that we're going to use is called the grid method. So we're going to start with two double brackets that we need to expand. So we're going to have 3x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, so the grid method first, pretty simple. Start by drawing yourself a grid, and then you're going to break each bracket up into a part of the grid. So let's take the 3x plus 5 first. We're going to put the 3x in here, plus 5 in here. Then we're going to split up the x plus 3. So you're going to write x here and plus 3 here. Then it's as simple as multiplying each expression together in each part of the grid. So let's start with this box here. We've got x multiplied by 3x. So that's going to give us 3x squared. For here, we're going to have 5 multiplied by x, which is going to give us 5x, or positive 5x if you need to remember that. And then here we're going to have 3 multiplied by 3x, which is going to give you a 9x. And then here 3 times 5, which is a positive 15. Then all we need to do is simplify the expression, and we've got our answer. So if we take out the 3x squared, something nice about the grid method is that you'll notice that often these two terms here that are diagonally opposite will simplify together. They're both x terms, so that would be 14x and then plus 15. And there's your answer with the grid method. So that's the first one, that's the grid method. The next method that we're going to use and that we're going to look at is called FOIL. We're going to start with the same expression as before, just so you can compare them side by side and see which one you prefer. I think the grid is probably quickest, but some people prefer the FOIL. So FOIL, what does FOIL stand for? Well, each letter means something different. So F stands for first. This means that we multiply the first part of each bracket together. So we're going to do 3x multiplied by x, which is going to give us 3x squared. Next letter is the O. That stands for outer. So we're going to multiply the outer part of each expression, each bracket together. 3x multiplied by 3 is going to give you 9x. Next letter is the I. That's going to stand for inner. So we're going to multiply the two inner parts of each brackets together, the bits closest to each other. So that's going to give us plus 5x. And the final letter L stands for last. We're going to multiply the two final parts of each bracket, the last term in each bracket, which is 5 multiplied by 3, which gives us plus 15. Then all that's left to do is to simplify. So if we take the 3x squared, the 9x plus 5x is plus 14x, and then a plus 15. And that would be your answer using FOIL. So it doesn't really matter which one you use. They're the two different options. That's the grid method and FOIL method.